This is our new 2007 Mercedes GL450, or also known as the X164. Just wanted to do a quick video on the before and after on the headlight restoration that I just barely did, and give you guys some tips of what I found during this process. These have a very thick layer of clear coat on them. As you can see on mine, on the side that I haven't finished yet, it's fallen off, and on the side that has the clear coat, it looks decent, but if you kind of stand back, the whole thing looks yellowed and doesn't look the best. And some of you might have headlights that have the clear coat still attached to it, and they may just look yellow, and you might think that, well, that's just the best that it can be. And the reality is that it can get much better. So what I decided to do was actually just go out and buy this mother's kit. New lens, comes with a bunch of different things. One of the things that it comes with is that attachment for your drill. It comes with what they call the power ball, finishing compound on, and a bunch of these round sanding discs. It comes with 800, 1500, and 3000 grit, but problem is that it only comes with 2 of each, and it requires a lot more, especially for this particular vehicle. So I went out to Home Depot. I just bought the 800, 1500, 3000, and then I found that the liquid that they provided, it's good, but it could be better. So I decided to use my chemical guys, just the buffing compound, the cutting compound that I use typically, and I found it did a little bit better job. And then I also switched over from the drill to be able to polish to my Rupes 3-inch. The part that took the longest was the first step, which was the 800 grit. I went over the whole headlight, and then I specifically went over the area that had the clear coat still left over, and that by far was the most time consuming part of the whole process, because you do have to go back, spray it, wipe it, see if it's still left over, and then be able to repeat the process multiple times. After that, I did the 1500 grit, both by machine and by hand, and then I finished up with the 3000 grit, and then I polished with the Rupes and my buffing compound. I will post some pictures at the end of this video to kind of show you the steps and what it looks like. And this is what it came out to look like. The last step to be able to finish this off is to add some clear coat. There is a specific kind that I'll be using that I can post as a link on this video, but some very good results here.